Looking to cut clutter and make your kitchen way more efficient? These tiny gadgets replace multiple kitchen tools at once. Smart, compact, and incredibly useful. They save space, simplify cooking, and make everyday meal prep a breeze. All product links are in the description below. Breakfast just found its new favorite appliance. This 3-in-1 cooker lets you fry, griddle, and toast all at the same time. Dual cooking zones mean you can make eggs on one side and pancakes on the other, while bread toasts below. A ceramic non-stick surface keeps food from sticking, and a built-in timer with a glass lid takes out the guesswork. Bring restaurant-style flavor right to your kitchen. This handheld smoker lets you infuse meats, cheeses, and even cocktails with rich, smoky notes in seconds. Just load a pinch of wood chips, turn it on, and let the gentle cold smoke do the magic. You can go subtle or bold with 2 flavor settings. It's compact, easy to clean, and makes every dish feel like a gourmet creation. Meet your new kitchen sidekick that actually helps you eat smarter. This smart food scale doesn't just weigh your food, it tells you what's in it. Sync it with the app to track calories, macros, and up to 19 key nutrients in real time. Its stainless steel surface is sleek, durable, and easy to clean. Whether you're cooking, meal prepping, or managing your diet, precision has never been this simple. Turn pasta night into a quick, hands-on experience with this automatic pasta maker. It mixes, kneads, and extrudes fresh noodles in minutes. All you do is add your ingredients and pick your pasta shape. With multiple discs and an advanced mixing system, you can make spaghetti, penne, or even experiment with doughs for cookies or bread. Cleanup's easy too. Just rinse the parts or pop them in the dishwasher. Cutting veggies doesn't have to feel like a chore. This 4-in-1 slicer turns potatoes, apples, onions, and more into perfectly even pieces with just one press. Swap between 4 sharp stainless steel blades to make fries, wedges, or diced veggies in seconds. Everything lands neatly in the built-in container. No mess, no fuss. It's compact, dishwasher safe, and makes meal prep faster, easier, and way more fun. Meet the pizza oven that makes you feel like a chef without leaving your backyard. This ultra-portable gas-powered oven hits blazing hot temperatures in minutes, giving you crispy, bubbly Neapolitan-style pizza in just 60 seconds. Its new flame technology spreads heat evenly, so every slice cooks perfectly edge to edge. The thicker stone keeps things hot for back-to-back pizzas, and setup takes minutes. Snack bags always going stale too soon? This mini heat sealer has your back. It seals and cuts plastic bags in seconds, locking in freshness and keeping your food crisp for longer. Just clamp, slide, and you've got an airtight seal. No clips or bulky machines needed. It's rechargeable, magnetic, and compact enough to stick on your fridge or toss in your bag. Perfect for chips, snacks, or leftovers on the go. Say goodbye to lumpy mashed potatoes forever. This heavy-duty ricer turns boiled potatoes into fluffy, cloud-like mash with a simple squeeze. Its dual gear system gives you extra power without straining your hands, making pressing effortless. You can use it for veggies too. Think smooth cauliflower, carrots, or even sweet potatoes. And when dinner's done, just pop it in the dishwasher. Easy, fast, and perfectly smooth every time. Turn your kitchen into a mini cafe with this all-in-one milk frother. It whips up silky foam for lattes, cappuccinos, or even cold brews at the touch of a button. The smart heating system keeps milk from burning while creating that smooth, creamy texture every barista dreams of. Works perfectly with dairy or plant-based milk. Easy to clean, quick to use coffee, perfection made simple. Who says you need a built-in hood to keep your kitchen air fresh? This portable range hood sucks up smoke, steam, and grease before they have a chance to linger. Its triple-layer filtration system, metal, polymer, and carbon traps. Odors and oils like a pro. You can adjust the fan speed, switch on the LED light, and cook anywhere from your kitchen to your RV. Compact, quiet, and easy to clean, it's pure cooking freedom. Your morning routine just got a tech upgrade. This smart electric kettle connects to Wi-Fi, letting you boil water or set the perfect temperature with a top ear even a voice command. The gooseneck spout gives you precision control for smooth, steady pouring, ideal for coffee or tea lovers. It heats fast, keeps water warm for hours, and shuts off automatically for safety. Sleek, smart, and seriously satisfying to use. Turn last night's leftovers into tomorrow's garden gold. This smart electric composter breaks down food waste in hours, not weeks, using advanced microbe technology. It's completely odor-free thanks to a triple-layer filter, and it runs whisper quiet, so you'll barely notice it working. The sleek design fits right on your counter, turning everyday scraps into rich compost while keeping your kitchen fresh and eco-friendly. Power through smoothies, soups, and frozen treats with this professional-grade blender. It's built for precision and speed, featuring preset programs for your favorite blends and a variable speed dial for total control. The self-cleaning function means no scrubbing, just add water and soap, and it cleans itself in seconds. Perfect for anyone who wants pro-level blending made effortless, sleek, and reliable. Imagine turning on your tap and getting crisp, clean, mineral-rich water instantly. This smart reverse osmosis system purifies through 11 powerful stages, removing everything from chlorine to heavy metals. It doesn't just clean, it enhances, adding back healthy minerals like calcium and magnesium for better taste and balance. The digital faucet shows water quality in real time, so you always know what you're drinking. No more crushed bagels or uneven halves. This guillotine-style slicer cuts cleanly through bagels, muffins, and rolls in one smooth motion. Just place your bagel inside, push down the handle, and you've got two perfect halves. No mess, no danger to your fingers. The protective shields keep you safe while the serrated stainless steel blade does all the work. It's fast, satisfying, and totally foolproof. This one's not your average air fryer. It's a 6-in-1 powerhouse that air fries, toasts, bakes, roasts, reheats, and broils all in one compact design. The secret? Steam infusion. It locks in moisture so your food stays juicy inside and crispy outside. It also preheats super fast, saving you time while keeping every meal tender, flavorful, and cooked to perfection right on your countertop. Dull knives slowing you down? This rechargeable electric sharpener brings them back to life in seconds. Its dual-stage system first sharpens, then polishes for a smooth, razor-like edge. The diamond-coated wheels handle steel or ceramic blades with ease, all powered by a fast USB rechargeable motor. Compact, cordless, and effortless. It's the perfect upgrade for anyone who wants precision without the hassle. Here's how you turn greasy gravy into pure perfection. This clever fat separator lets you pour smooth, lean sauces without a drop of oil sneaking in. Just fill it up, and the built-in strainer catches all the unwanted bits. The smart release spout pours from the bottom, leaving the fat layer behind. It's easy to use, easy to clean, and makes every homemade gravy taste like a chef's secret. Here's one clever kitchen helper you didn't know you needed. This oil dispenser comes with a built-in silicone brush, letting you measure, spread, and reuse oil without any mess. Just pinch the dropper to draw up the right amount, brush it on your pan or food, and pour the rest back. No waste at all. It's easy to clean, totally leak-proof, and perfect for cooking, baking, or grilling like a pro. Rain or shine, this portable electric grill lets you enjoy that perfect sear anywhere. It heats up fast, reaching sizzling hot temps without smoke or flare up, just pure grilling power. The stainless steel body resists rust, while the non-stick grate makes cleanup effortless. Plug it in, twist the knob, and you're ready to grill indoors or out. Compact, durable, and seriously satisfying for every cookout craving. This lightweight cordless vacuum makes cleaning feel effortless. With powerful suction and dual modes, it handles everything from hardwood floors to pet hair with ease. The slim design glides around furniture, and built-in LED headlights reveal every bit of hidden dust. Plus, it quickly converts into a handheld vacuum for stairs or car interiors, perfect for quick cleanups without cords or hassle. Tired of battling frozen solid ice cream? This smart heated scoop melts away that struggle, literally. The handle gently warms up, letting you glide effortlessly through hard ice cream straight from the freezer. No waiting, no bending spoons, just smooth, creamy perfection every time. It's rechargeable, fully washable, and even shows the temperature on a tiny LED screen. Perfect for anyone who loves dessert but hates the arm workout. Staying on top of your meds just got a whole lot easier. This clever 2-in-1 water bottle comes with a built-in pill organizer right on the side. It holds 7 compartments for your daily vitamins or medicine, and you've got water ready whenever you need it. Perfect for travel, work, or the gym. It keeps everything in one place. Simple, smart, and surprisingly convenient. Love pickles but hate fishing them out with your fingers? This clever condiment fork makes that mess disappear. It clips right onto the jar, so it's always there when you need it and stays clean when you don't. Just grab a pickle, olive, or pepper without dripping brine everywhere. When you're done, slide it back into its little holder. No mess, no fuss, just pure snack time satisfaction. Say goodbye to cherry-stained fingers and flying pits. This clever tool removes pits from up to 6 cherries at once. Fast, clean, and satisfying. Just load, press, and you're ready for pie, jam, or snacking. The built-in tray catches every pit and drop of juice, keeping your counter spotless. It's compact, easy to lock for storage, and even works for olives and grapes too. Cracking peanuts by hand? That's old school. This automatic peanut opener takes the mess and effort out of snack time. Just load it up, give it a quick shake, and it separates the shells with surprising ease. Perfect for air-dried or roasted peanuts, it keeps your fingers clean and your snacks ready faster. Simple, fun, and oddly satisfying every single time you use it. Say goodbye to twisting, cranking, and sharp metal edges. This automatic can opener does all the work with just one press of a button. It glides smoothly around the lid and leaves safe, rounded edges behind. No cuts, no mess. Perfect for anyone who wants effortless cooking, especially seniors or those with limited hand strength. Compact, cordless, and surprisingly fun to watch in action. What if your water could do more than just hydrate? This hydrogen water pitcher infuses every glass with tiny hydrogen molecules that help fight fatigue, boost clarity, and support recovery. Using advanced electrolysis technology, it balances pH levels and filters out impurities for a cleaner, smoother taste. You'll love the simple touch controls and self-cleaning design that keeps it fresh automatically. Grill like a pro without babysitting the BBQ. This smart wireless meat thermometer keeps track of your cook from anywhere right from your phone. With dual probes and advanced sensors, it reads internal and ambient temperatures with incredible precision. The display updates in real time, helping you hit that perfect doneness every time. No tangled wires, no guesswork, just juicy, perfectly cooked meat every single time. Garlic prep doesn't have to be messy or time-consuming. This clever garlic twister crushes, minces, and grinds cloves in seconds. No press, no sticky hands. Just pop in a few cloves, twist, and you'll get finely minced garlic bursting with flavor. It even works on ginger, herbs, and nuts for extra versatility. Easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and built to last. Simple, efficient, and super satisfying to use. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.